G'day, this is quite a large piece of seam opal from Lightning Ridge area, Australia. It's solid opal right through, pretty well. The clay here's on the side. It's been broken in half. You're buying just this one piece, but I'll show it to you where it was joined. So this is the other piece that I have for sale. I have to show you back down here. It too has a colour going right through there. But I'm selling these two pieces separate. This deal is this smaller piece. The other piece is for sale by itself. You can see the clay on the bottom. I'll just come up so you can see a bit more detail of the colour bar. Should be easy to cut and polish a great big piece out of this, or you could cut it up into stones if you wanted to, but it's up to you. Nice electric greens, yellows and the green. Some pinks here and just mixed up in it as well, here and here. Anyway, I think that gives you a good idea of the piece. I hope you enjoyed.